Okay, good afternoon, everybody, and let's get started. Today we're going to talk about order of operations, and we have the information on the right hand side here. We start with the parentheses. Whatever we're going to do, we start in this in these steps we get on the right hand side here, which is P is for parentheses, A is for exponents, M is for multiplication, D is for division, A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So as we are getting there, let's go get started here. First of all, we need to take out the parentheses, which is the first one up here. And when you take a look at those parentheses, this is the first parenthesis, that's the second one. But we get something inside of it that needs to be addressed. Let's address this multiplication first here. So we get 2, 8 plus 4, and 6 times 9 is 54, and minus 28. We get this one taken care of. Now we can do what is inside the parentheses. This is what we're going to do now. And you get a 2 here, 8 plus 4, factor 54 minus 28 is 26. Okay, and now we're done with those parentheses. Now we have multiplication here, but not quite yet because we're not finished with this. We get 8 plus 4 times 26, and the only thing we can do right now is this multiplication. That's what we should do right now because we are here. Multiplication. This is 2, 8 plus 4 times 26 is 104, and you close that bracket over here. And what we have left is 8 plus 104. This is 112, but we get the 2 outside here, and we close that. So brackets are parentheses, so we get 2 times 112 is 224. This is 224. That's the first answer. For the second one, we're going to do the same thing. We take care of the parentheses. That's what we work with right now. So I'm going to say minus, open bracket, 5 minus 3 factor minus 4 plus 5 is 1. But remember, we still get this square here. We get this square. And now we're going to take care of the exponent. That's exponent part here. The exponent get minus 5 minus 3. The exponent 1 times 1, this is 1 square, is 1 times 1, that's 1. So we have taken care of the exponent. And now we get multiplication. This is the multiplication. We'll get minus 5 minus 3. Okay, and after that, now the only thing we have here is subtraction. That's what we're going to take care of. We are here now, and this is minus 5 minus, let's say, so 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 3 is 2. This is 2. So since this is the minus outside, it's like minus 1 times positive 2, that's minus 2. So this is how you take care of those order of operations, and don't forget these steps over here on the right. Okay, make sure that you remember those. This is the end of the first video. See you in the next one. Talk to you soon.